Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. The Denali is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating as well, wood trim finish throughout the vehicle, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, as well as forward collision warning, push-button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We have dual-zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. 4x4 dial there as well with lane keep assist, wireless charging pad. Vehicle does have all black interior with the Bose audio, as well as our black leather heated seats up front with Denali in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Acadia, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, Michelin all-season tires, chrome accenting door handles with keyless entry, Denali on the front door, color match fender flares. At the front of the Denali, big chrome grille. There's parking sensors, fog lights, and LED daytime running lamps and turn signals. Making our way to the back, we have rear tinted privacy windows and remote start. LED tail lamps, dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors, power tailgate, and trailer tow package at the rear. Taking a quick look at the interior, we have the captain's chair second row, leather as well as they are heated and car seat ready. Seats fold down to get out of the way, giving you easy access to your third row, a 50-50 split as well. This is the 6-passenger Acadia. Over top, dual panel sunroofs with LED lighting, 3-stage heated seat controls, USB ports, an outlet, and rear climate control in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.